Last October 7, CFMoto released their very own maxi scoot here in the Philippine market. Ginanap ito sa silo at the Palace BGC. Pero bago ang lahat, sino nga ba si CFMoto? Si CFMoto ay isang Chinese manufacturer ng mga motor at ng mga ATV. They have been around in the market since 1989. Yes, CFMoto have more than 30 years of professional experience. Masyado pang bata pero sila ang leading China bike manufacturer dito sa Pinas as of now. Mabalik naman tayo sa bagong release ng CFMoto, the 150SC. Ito ang pangtapat ng CFMoto sa entry-level maxi scooter category dito sa Pilipinas. Meron itong 149.6cc engine displacement, single overhead cams, and 2 valves for more fuel efficiency. And this bike produces 14.1 horsepower and 14.2 Nm of torque. Hindi man siya ganun kalakasan pero bawi ka naman sa fuel consumption with a claim of 40 km per liter gas consumption. Not bad na para sa isang 150cc maxi scoot. This bike is also liquid cooled and has 8.5 liters of fuel capacity. Dual channel ABS na rin ito and traction control equipped na rin. Both can be turned off through the menu buttons. Wala ka nang hahanapin pa when it comes to safety features. Wet weight natin is 135 kilos. Seat height is 765 mm with a ground clearance of 135 mm. So almost same ito sa NMAX which is 131 kilos, 765 mm ng seat height and 125 mm of ground clearance. Very friendly ito sa height nating mga Pinoy. Meron din itong 2.5 liters of glove box with charging socket and 30 liters of seat storage. Kasyang-kasya dito ang isang half-face helmet. Equipped na din ito with 5-inch TFT display, phone connectivity, and on-screen navigation. For our starting system naman, keyless start na siya paired with anti-theft alarm. And for our suspension, both KYB na harap at likod, so that's a plus if you know your suspensions. And for the tires, the SC150 is equipped with CST tires with the size of 110 by 70 by 14 for the front and 130 by 70 by 13 for the rear. And for our lights, we have a full LED V-shaped headlight. Very good resemblance to ng CFMoto 450NK. We also have LED turning signals na medyo unique ang pagkakalagay niya. Excellent din ito dahil ma-distinguish mo agad na CFMoto yung bike and not just a cheap knock-off bike. And for our tail and brake lights, full LED na rin, so that's a plus. Para naman sa mga available na kulay ng SC150, we have Space Silver, Solar Silver, Storm Gray, and Gem Black. Now let's talk about pricing. For comparison, the PCX 160 is priced at around 149,900 pesos, while the NMAX 155 is priced at around 151,900 pesos. And the SC150 is only 119,800 pesos. Tingin nyo sulit ba ang SC150 for 120,000? Well, props to CFMoto for giving us another option on the maxi scoot category. And will this rival the entry-level maxi scoot in the market? Ito kaya ang magiging leading scooter dito sa Pilipinas? Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And that's it for the SC150 bike review. Stay tuned for the next episode of our bike review. Hit like and subscribe for more motorcycle content. This is JMG and see you on the next one.